Okay, I decided to redo the video. It didn't come out correctly the first time. There's with the anti-glare new view screen protector on it. I think it looks really good. No more blemishes. So I'm going to turn it on and maybe we'll get a better picture of it. No problem with it. Looks really good. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'm zooming in so you can see there's no distortion anymore. That protector screen was difficult to put on, and I hope this has been helpful to many people who had some difficulties. Alright, thank you.